Hello children, today I am going to discuss about area of a general quadrilateral. We can find the area of any general quadrilateral by splitting it into two triangles. Let ABCD is a given quadrilateral. First of all, we split the quadrilateral ABCD by drawing the diagonal AC like this. After that, we draw DL perpendicular to AC and BM perpendicular to AC. Now let DL equal to H1 and BM equal to H2. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD equal to half into AC into BM. This is the area of triangle ABC plus half into AC into DL. This is the area of triangle ACD equal to, here half and AC are commons, so we take common AC half into AC. After that we get BM plus DL here, so equal to half into AC into H1 plus H2. BM equal to H2 and DL is equal to H1, so it becomes half into AC into H1 plus H2 equal to half into AC is diagonal, so diagonal denoted by D, so half into D into H1 plus H2. Hence the area of a general quadrilateral equal to half into diagonal into sum of altitudes drawn on the diagonal from the opposite two vertices. For example, in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which BD is equal to 14 cm and AL perpendicular to BD and CM perpendicular to BD, such that AL is equal to 6 cm and CM is equal to 8 cm. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Solution. We know that area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Here D for diagonal BD is 14 cm and H1 is 6 cm and H2 is 8 cm. 7 to the 14 equal to 7 into 6 plus 8 14. 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. This is our answer. Now I am going to discuss about area of a polygon. We can find the area of any polygon by splitting the polygon into triangles, trapezium, rectangles, etc. For example, find the area of the given pentagon ABCDE in which each one of BF, CH and EG is perpendicular to AD, such that AF equal to 9 centimeter, AG equal to 13 centimeter, AH equal to 19 centimeter, AD equal to 24 centimeter, BF equal to 6 centimeter, CH equal to 8 centimeter and EG equal to 9 centimeter. And the given figure is this. A B C D E. BF perpendicular to AD, EG perpendicular to AD, CH perpendicular to AD. Solution. Area of the given pentagon ABCDE equal to area of triangle ABF plus area of triangle trapezium BCHF plus area of triangle CHD plus area of triangle ADE equal to half into AF plus into BF. This is the area of triangle ABF plus half into BF plus CH into FH. This is the area of trapezium BCHF. BF and CF are parallel sides and FH is the height of trapezium plus half into HD into CH. This is the area of triangle CHD plus half into AD into EG. This is the area of triangle AADE equal to half into AF into BF plus half into BF plus CH into FH. FH is equal to H minus AF. AH minus AF plus half into here HD. HD is equal to AD minus AH. AD minus AH into CH plus half into AD into EG equal to half into F equal to 9 and BF is equal to 6 given plus half into BF equal to 6 and CH is equal to 8 into 19 minus 9 plus half into 24 minus 19 into 8 plus half into 24 into 9 equal to 27 plus half into 14 into 10 plus half into 5 into 8 plus 108. 7 2 ja 14 and 2 4 ja 8 equal to 27 plus 70 plus 20 plus 108 equal to 225 centimeter square.